guys, welcome back to my channel for another Walgreens haul video, and thank you all for joining me and thanks for all your support. I have a very small haul and 2 I bought a rebate. Without wasting time, let's go grab some deals. Anytime I go to Walgreens for my haul, I always like to do a small transaction hoping to get a pepper booster. That's why I'll pick up the sandwich bag. They're on sale for buy one get 2 free and it's priced at $2.79. I picked up 3 and my total with tax is $3.01, and I redeemed a $3 Walgreens cash, paid just 1 cent out of pocket, and I received a spend 40 get $7 Walgreens cash booster. The next transaction I did is buy one get one half off on select allergy, pain relief or sleep aids, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 register reward back, and Children Allegra is part of this deal. I'll pick up one price at $14.49 and we have a $5 digital coupon for it. And for the second product, I'll pick up the Children's Izol priced at $13.49 and that will be the half off, which will be $6.99, and we have a $5 digital coupon for it. Both products are going to total $21.45. After the 2 coupons apply, it's going to drop it down to $11.45. I'll pay that and get $5 register reward back, and I will submit my receipt to iBorder for a $4 back on each item, making both items free and a $1.55 money maker. I also received this spend $1 get $5 Walgreens cash digital booster that I'll add to this transaction, but I'm not yet at 40. I will add the secret deodorant deal to this transaction. They're on sale for 2 for $13 and they're on the deal of buy 3 get $5 register reward back, and this is part of the P&G promotion of spend 15 get $5 register reward back. I'll pick up 3 of them are going to total $19.50, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $14.50. If I'm doing this by itself, I have to pay the $14.50 and get $5 register reward back for buying 3 and another $5 register reward back for doing the spend 15 get $5 back, making all 3 of them just $4.50 or $1.50 each. I have another digital booster that I'll be adding to the paper booster I just received, and the digital booster I have is the spend $1 get $5 Walgreens cash back, and I can use both boosters in the same transaction. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. All my coupons applied. I ended up using $20 register reward to help pay for this. Paid $5.98 plus tax out of pocket. And I got back $5 register reward for the Allegra deal. And also $5 register reward for the secret deal. And for the 2 boosters I used, I got a $5 Walgreens cash for spending $1. And also a $7 Walgreens cash for spending $40. My $5 for the P&G promotion for the spend 15 did not print out, but on the tag you can see secret included in the products, so the manager gave me a $5 Walgreens cash in place of the register reward. I submitted my receipt to iBorder for a $4 back for the Allegra and also a $4 back for the Izol, making it a total of $8. And after all these rebates, this whole transaction ended up being free and a $9.02 money maker. For my next transaction, I will use another spend booster or spend 25 on grocery or household. I will earn a $5 Walgreens cash back. And the first deal I'll add to this will be this buy 4 get $5 register reward back. And Tide, Downy and Bounce are included in this deal. I'll pick up the Downy liquid on sale for $5.49. And I'll pick up the Bounce dryer sheet, the 105 count, on sale for $5.49. The next item I'll add to this deal will be the Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. And the last item will be the Tide detergent on sale for $5.49. These 4 items are going to total $21.96. And for the coupons I'll use, I have 2 Tide coupons. I have a $1.55 and I also have a $1.50. That means one will attach for each one of the Tide. And for the Downy, I have a $1.05, and for the Bounce, I also have a $1 for it. After all these coupons apply, it's going to drop it down to $15.26, and I'll get my $5 register reward back, making all 4 of them just $10.26. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be the Dawn dish soap. They're on the deal of buy two get $1 register reward back, and they are priced at $1.24 each. Instead of picking up two, I'll pick up three, because if I pick up two, I will not be at $25 to get my $5 Walgreens cash back. If you're doing this deal by itself and you're picking up only two of them are going to total $2.48, and you get your $1 register reward back, making both dish soaps just $1.48 or 74 cents each. These are all the items I'll pick up using the spend 25 get $5 Walgreens cash back. I'll go check out and we'll see how everything worked out. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see all the products I picked up, and looking at my coupon section, only two coupons came off, $1.55 and $1. I'm guessing the second Tide coupon did not come off, and also the $1.05 for the Downy did not come off as well. And you can see that the first register reward I used wasn't a store coupon, so that messed up my spend 25. That was why I'm not able to get my $5 back for the spend 25. I ended up paying $13.13 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back my $5 register reward for buy 4 get $5 back, and a $1 register reward back for buying two of the Downy dish soap. I called customer service because of the two coupons that didn't come off, and she gave me credit for those two. After the credit, this transaction ended up costing me $17.13 or $2.49 each. But the good thing about this is the first transaction I did, I made a $9.02 moneymaker. And if I combine both transactions, it will end up costing me just $8.11 or 68 cents each. So if you're doing the deal I did, be careful and watch the register reward you're using. That way you will not make the same mistake I made. And this is where my video ends today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for supporting me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.